Hi, this is Claire. Today we're going to start looking at some transformations, and the first one we're going to look at is reflections. So you can make the heading reflections, and I'd like you to draw a 5-sided figure with the ruler. So just draw it on the left-hand side of your page, and just for ease, could you make all the corners start and stop on a grid line? So I'm going to draw an irregular shape, and I'm just going to make it up and start and stop on some grid lines. So that's 2 sides, 3 sides up to here, and then 4 sides over to here, and then I'll make my 5th side down here. So I've just drawn an imaginary shape. Okay, so we're going to reflect this shape through a line. So for a start, let's draw a vertical line. Now it's a bit like a mirror. So what happens is that shape is going to reflect from this side over to the other side. So that's the line of reflection. Now, the way to do this is technically each point, each vertex, A, B, C, D, and E, are going to reflect over here, and we find the position of each point. So each point reflects at right angles to the mirror, to the line of reflection, so 90 degrees, so there's 90 degrees, and the same distance on the other side. So that was 2 centimetres, and 2 centimetres on the other side, 90 degrees from the mirror, is a reflection. Okay, so we use a little comma up above the A to show that it's the reflected position of A. B now, of course, being on that straight line, is 4.5 centimetres from the line of reflection. So it'll be 4.5 centimetres on the other side, and that will be B with the reflection. Sometimes we call that A prime and B prime. C now, take C to the reflection line of the mirror, and we see that it's at right angles here. So there's the right angles, and it's 6.5 centimetres from the mirror. So 6.5 centimetres on the other side will give us C prime. And now D, take that line straight to the reflection line. It's at right angles. Now that distance is 3 centimetres, and 3 centimetres on the other side will give me D prime. And the same with E. E is on this line here for me, and 2 centimetres on the other side is E prime. So now we join those reflected points or corners of our shape in exactly the same order as they have been joined on the other side. So A joins with B, B joins with C, C joins with D, D joins with E, and E will join with A. So we've reflected through this line, let us call it XY. So it's reflected through the mirror XY, and as you can see, it's kind of flipped over. Are they the same shape? Yes, they are the same shape. Are they the same size? So you can check to see if they are the same size. 2.5, 2.5. This line here is 3.5, and 3.5. So they are the same size and shape. So we say they are congruent. So they are congruent. So A, B, C, D, E is congruent to 3 lines, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, and E prime. So they are congruent. Congruent, and they are the same size and the same shape. So same size and shape. Thank you for your attention. In the next tutorial, we'll try a mirror on an angle. Bye for now.